Hello everyone. Start off by taking 3 pencils together and then draw the numbers 5, 2 and 0. Now you should get 3 lines of each of them. Using a darker marker, connect each of them as such. Now erase the inner portion of it and then color the double lines that you have created. Connect 2 of them on the side as such. Then shade it using your pencil. Then underneath it, smudge the pencil line. Next, start off by drawing the face of a little girl. Then the sides continue on to draw her hair. Add multiple lines to make it look all the more realistic. Then move on to drawing her eyes. Leave a little gap in her eyes that aren't colored so that this adds a little glistening effect to her eyes. Following this, add the hands and a little dress skirt as well. Add legs to it as well as socks. Then add a little cape to it as well. Draw the rest of the hair, make it into a braid, add the lines and then add the bottom portion of the ponytail. Add a little flower in between. Next, add a straight line using a ruler and then add this chubby little figure right in the center. Add little ears for it, draw on the eyebrows and then far underneath it, draw the eyes to it. Draw a little nose and then a little mouth and then make it look like it is eating something. Add little expressions all around it and then smudge the pencil lines to shade it in and make it look all the more better. This will give it a more animated look. Smudge on some blush as well. Now we'll be learning how to draw a fox. Start off by drawing the ears and then draw the rest of the face. Add the inner linings of the ears and then draw on the eyes. After this, draw 3 circles within the eyes and then color all of the portions except for the 3 circles. This makes it look like it is glistening. Then after this, proceed to draw the rest of the body, draw the legs and then draw a bushy tail at the back. Now begin to shade it using your pencil and then leave small gaps in between. These small gaps make it look all the more better. Then smudge it using a earbud as such. After that, make the corners darker and then use a dark pencil in order to color in the eyes. Do the same for the nose. Next, start off by drawing the hair and the face of the little princess. Then draw the wide eyes, add a little circle within the eyes and then color outside of the circle. Then continue on to draw the dress. Draw a heart shape first and then draw the poofy skirt. Then draw the hands, make them as graceful as possible. Draw lines for the skirt and then draw the rest of the hair. Make it as flowy as possible. Add a little bow at the top. Now add multiple lines to the hair and then using a earbud, smudge it. Next, start off by drawing multiple little circles and then add petals around each of these circles. Add the petals slightly fast set and then make them look as natural as possible. Make the ones facing you to be smaller and then the ones facing outwards to be a little larger. Add multiple lines to each of these petals as such. Once again, make it look as realistic as possible. Now for the base, add the stem. Color only one side of it or rather shade only one side of it. That is more towards the left side. Then afterwards, draw some other flowers coming out from the other side as well. Draw little leaves on the side and shade it. Thank you for watching.